with some white sage medicine. Nature doesn't need it, but we could use it. Step a little closer to ground us, clear us, protect us. The wind is doing its job. And we are grateful for this sacred plant and give thanks for what it helps us to do. The white sage plant. So I want to share something with you all. We've been given everything that we need. Everything that we have is here on earth, is within our bodies, the inherent ability to heal ourselves and use nature to do that as well. But also our body as an instrument of regeneration, an instrument of energetic, abundance. So I wanted to show you a way to energize your body and immediately align your body. So join me in clapping. Be in a place where you can clap as loud as you can. This activity immediately activates the nadis without your body and your energy centers, and prepares your chakras to receive what we're about to do. So all we're going to do is clap as loud as you can. Now, when you hold your hands out, you're going to feel the fire coming from within you, ready to touch things, to activate them, to energize them. Just imagine that this is coming from you, and you are energized and ready to go. You have everything that you need. You should know that. So today I'm going to use sound to bring us into the present time, to shake our energy up, loosen it up so that it can move and be realigned and be reset and transformed into energy that is usable for us. And I'll use this bell to bring us into the present time, to ground us. And as I ring this bell, I want you to breathe. I want you to think only of the moment that is now, not of the past, not of tomorrow. Because thinking too much about the past allows one to be depressed and stuck. And thinking too much about the future allows for room for anxiety and worry and still energy that is stuck. So as I ring this bell, we are only being concerned of the now, the moment that matters. Welcome to the now. Now I'm going to use my rattle to shake you up a little bit. Shake up that energy in you, the stuck energy, the stuff that needs to move, that needs to shift, that needs to transform, that needs to transmute, and it's something you can use. Because we all can tap into the same energy fields, the same force, the same amount of energy. It's just about being usable forms of energy and things that are energy that is conducive to life. So let's shake it up, get it moving. Here we go. So now I'm bringing forth the singing bowl to attune you with the frequency, with the vibration, with the sound, the air moving through you, and allowing that where that energy has been shaken and moved to now become activated and attuned and ready to deal with the now and be used in a usable form of energy that is good for you, that is conducive to life, that is a life force, a vitality. So join me in the singing bowl. Let this vibration enter in each chakra, your root chakra, your seat of safety, security, certainty, your sacral chakra, your sexual health, your creativity and passion, your solar plexus, your center of personal power, motivation, and will, your heart chakra, the portal that opens to the great flow of source energy, the portal of love and peace and joy, your throat chakra, your authenticity and your truth, your third eye, your God-given intuition, and your crown chakra, your direct communication with Source, with God, with Creator. May each and every one of your chakras, your 7 that we're dealing with right now, be activated and attuned. Now that we've done several modes of vibration, of sound, of frequency, we will continue with the drum, the heartbeat, the movement. Now that the energy and centers in our body have been shaken, have been shifted, have been open, we now will allow the energy of the drum to flow through with a vital life force to get us ready. The drum beat of glory, the drum beat of your heart signifies life. Move your body. Thank you for watching with me and enjoying this video. Please leave a thumbs up, and a comment is always helpful. Follow me on Instagram at House of NteKKah. I am Kahtonna, and as always, be the light and be contagious.